Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the connection method on your PlayStation 5 from Bluetooth for your controller to USB. So if you don't want any issues or latency or something like that, go to Settings, and then go on down to where it says Accessories. Now under here, let's go on down to Controller. Go to the right and go on down, and we got Communication Method. We have two different options. We got Use Bluetooth or Use USB. Select how your controller communicates with your PS5 when it's connected to the USB port. This is applied to the DualShock 4 controller and the PSVR 2 Sense controller. So just go to Use USB and you'll connect via that method instead of USB still. And then if you're having connection issues or drops with Bluetooth, this should work and reduce the latency. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.